Who could draw the best squishy dumpling secret color challenge with Sharpies?
You know how people are like doing these videos? So we have two papers. We have to close our eyes.
No.
One.
I get a plain piece of paper. She gets a colored piece of paper. She gets to pick her markers. I get to close my eyes and pick my markers.
So it's
Let's go. Let me go pick my markers. Come with me. Okay, now I have all my markers up here. I'm going to pick 4 with my eyes closed. I hope I get a good one. 1, 2, 3. That was a bad choice. 3, 4. I seriously got... Actually, this isn't that bad. Okay, I can work with this. Now let's go see what color paper she has. I am definitely gonna win. She gets a disadvantage. She gets a yellowed color paper. Nasty color. First, I'm gonna draw mine. Now I'm gonna be drawing mine with my colored Sharpies. Sharpies here. First, I think I'm gonna make my outside of the color purple. I'm gonna make a giant one. Okay, I'm gonna color it in. Actually, I'm gonna make the eyes now. I have these two, which is gonna be perfect. Now I just need the eyes. I just gotta make 2 big brown eyes. Now, I need to draw the cheeks. Oh, that was a little bit. And then I need Molly. And I'm going to finish coloring it in, and you see how she's doing. So I kind of had to redo mine. Small now, but it's cute. Let's go see how she's doing. Okay, it's a cute squishy dumpling. Remember to write your name up there.
a dupe dumpling.
It's a dupe dumpling. Okay, now we're gonna judge. Now we've given our signature, have our dumplings. This is mine, Harlan. This is hers, Annie. Now, comment down below who did it better. Bye.